Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix Productions. A huge thanks that you're watching this video. So today in this video I'm going to introduce one of our so popular styles, which is the Venom movie text effect. And by using this template, you can convert your ideal text or logo no matter what language you're going to use with the most similarity into the logo at this movie and use it in all your different projects. So as I said earlier, the language, there's no limits with it. For example, this is how it works on Japanese. Just check out the brilliant details and see how excellent it's converted. So to use this template, just like all our other products, there's no need to be professional at Photoshop, and our designers have done all the hard work and they spent hours to design this template, so it's so close to the original style of the movie and you don't need to put any effort. You can just do a few clicks and type your text and you're done. So follow us to the end of the video and we're going to see how we can do so. Just before we get started, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell. So if you want to download this template, just refer to hyperpix.net. Get the VIP membership. It's once for a lifetime and you're going to access this template and tons of different styles in all different projects and use them. And also weekly we have so many different products added, which by the one-time joining you can also use them as well. So let's get started with editing this style. So just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in a window which appears right here, as you see, we have a text right here. And just pay attention that the first character is a little larger than the others. So just like the original style of the movie, if you want exactly the same style, you just need to select it separately. And here, for example, I'm going to just keep the Venom, close and click save. And our editing is done. Just see how beautiful the result is. For example, I'm going to use a different text. So the first character and the other separately, just like this. So you can also change the font and use a different one, or for example you can decrease the distance between the characters so you have a total and complete control on your text. You can make any changes to your liking, as this style works on all different phones and it'll look great on any adjustments you have. So just don't make your text very small because it might not work out to look as great as it should. So I'm done with this text right here. Just close and click save and wait until it's applied. So as beautiful as you see, everything's done totally automatically and the result is brilliant. So this text at the bottom also, you can just edit it, double click on this text layer and type your ideal text. I'm going to type let there be carnage, and here you go. So excellent. I can also change the place and you can place it wherever you like. Also you can enlarge it or minimize the size. So everything's perfect. We have the adjustments folder right here, which is the contrast on our star, which you can adjust or switch it off or on. We have the effects folder here. I suggest you to ignore it because the style of this template is all done with this folder, which if you touch it, it might like make a little trouble. So finally we have the glow right here, which is this pretty light shining from down here, which you can switch it off just like this. And if you want to have this logo in transparent form, it's so easy. You just need to switch the background and the glow off, and as you see, our result is fantastic. The transparent background allows you to use this style and get a PNG outcome and drag it onto all your different projects, for example flyers, music covers, logos, and wherever you like. So we're done right here. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your attention. If you like this template and you want to download it, just refer to hyperpix.net. Join the VIP membership from the address which appears right here. And don't forget to like and share with your friends. Bye till next video from Mary.